Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we've got for you today is a lovely pen. In fact, it's a pen set. Now this is a pen set that I actually picked up on my travels recently. I went on a couple of pen hunts, so we'll show you that maybe in a couple of days' time. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you this pen because it's a gorgeous pen and it more than deserves a review. You can see it comes in the original box. Unfortunately, it's got some sort of, I don't know, it looks like it may have actually been glued somewhere. But apart from that, you know, the rest of the box is fine. It's helped to keep these pens in the beautiful condition that they are. There we go. You can see it comes in a box. It says Waterman's Paris to the back there. And what we've got for you is a fountain pen and a ballpoint pen. So let's take them out. Okay, let's close the box, put the box to one side. And here we have these two gorgeous, well, a ballpoint and fountain pen. This is the ballpoint, as you can see here, in this lovely green colour. Both of them are actually, the model is the Waterman Preface. Now for you eagle-eyed viewers, you would have known I actually showed you a blue Preface fountain pen about 2 or 3 months ago. So if you're interested, go and have a look at that. So I've shown you them before, but not in this colour. And because the colour is absolutely gorgeous, I thought I would do a review. The colour is what Waterman call Laque Escapist Green. Now these Preface, well, pens came in numerous different colours. As I say, I've just shown you a blue one. I believe they came in was it a sienna brown, a cherry colour. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a sort of green and darker green, sort of marbling colour. And as I say, they term it as the Laque Escapist Green colour. Absolutely gorgeous. Obviously comes, well, not obviously, but comes with gold plated trim, as you can see there. So that's the ballpoint, and it works by simply turning the cap, as you can see there, to activate the refill inside. Here's the fountain pen, again in this gorgeous Laque Escapist green colour. It's very nice indeed, in absolutely stunning condition. Now, as far as I know, I've actually took it apart. I can see no remnants of ink in the pen. So in my opinion, the pen has never been inked. In absolutely superb condition. The size of this pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 134 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's around about 10.5 millimeters in diameter. To the bottom of the barrel, we've got this gold-plated stud, which has got a slight flare to it, which I believe helps to post the cap. If we take you up to the cap band, you'll see it says Waterman, and then to the back it has the word France. Then we've got this very recognisable Waterman split clip, as you can see there, the Waterman logo to the very top of the clip. Very nice indeed. And then again, we've got this finial, slightly flares to the top with a black, well, a hexagonal jewel to the top of the cap, as you can see there. Very, very nice indeed. So yeah, the pens, although they call it Laque, are actually lacquered fountain pens. Absolutely beautiful. It's got a friction fit cap, as you can see there. Let's show you the pen in a couple of different angles. And again, as I've said, in my opinion, they've never been used or inked. Now these are a cartridge converter fountain pen. By unscrewing the barrel, you can see we've got a Waterman cartridge there. As I said, sorry, not cartridge, a converter. It will also accept the Waterman cartridge. We've got brass threads, as you can see. And then we've got this section here, quite a smooth black section. And then to the top of the section, we've got this, well, a sort of medium-sized gold band to the very top. And the very top of the section also has a slight flare to it. And then we've got this gorgeous Waterman nib to the top there. And what we'll do, let's show you that a little bit closer up, because it is a lovely nib. There we go. So there's a lovely close-up of the nib. You can see to the centre, it has the W for Waterman underneath. It has Paris. And then we've got 18 carat 750. So it's a lovely 18 carat gold nib. You can see the shoulders flare out quite. It's quite a wide nib, and this lovely engraving to the very top. There's a sideways view. And then we've got the feed underneath there. You can see to the top of the feed, we've got the letter M. So it's indicating that it's a medium nib. But all in all, a lovely, handsome nib. Okay, so that was the nib and the feed, as you saw there, in a close-up for you. Very nice indeed. A very nice pen. With my large hands, it's still a nice, comfortable pen to hold and to write with. Okay, so there we have it. Look at that. Again, lovely colour. I quite like this colour. It's very nice indeed. Now, because it's never been inked, I don't want to fill the pen, because what we're going to do is try and find a new owner for the pen, and I'd like to leave that pleasure to the new owner. But what we'll do, let's just see how the pen writes. So what we're going to do is do a dip test. So let's dip it in the ink to my right here. And let's see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a Waterman's Preface fountain pen, made in France and made circa 1990s, maybe sort of get into the later 1990s. It's writing very nicely indeed, as you would expect from a quality made fountain pen. So there we have it. And as we said earlier, writing very nicely with a medium line. Actually, one thing, let's bring the pad back on again. Let's just give the nib a wipe. We'll clean that after the video. Ready for somebody to enjoy, the new owner. And again, we've got the ballpoint, which again is a Waterman's Preface. Okay, is it running out? I'm not sure. Like I say, it may have been sat in the box for many years, but there we go. It seems to be sort of coming through. But there we have it. We've got the ballpoint also in working order, writing with a black refill. So there we have it. An absolutely stunning, unused Waterman Preface fountain pen and ballpoint in this gorgeous, what they term as Laque Escapist green colour. Absolutely lovely. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pens as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and these stunning pens. Bye-bye for now.